Hai, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Saya Susan Febriantina SPD MPD, dosen dari Program Studi Pendidikan Administrasi Perkantoran, Fakultas Ekonomi dan Bisnis Universitas Negeri Jakarta. Saya merupakan dosen pembimbing 1 dari mahasiswa yang bernama Nabila Putri Maulida dengan judul skripsi Pengaruh Motivasi Belajar, Self-Efficacy, dan Prokrastinasi terhadap Perilaku Kecurangan Akademik mahasiswa Fakultas Ekonomi Universitas Negeri Jakarta dalam menyelesaikan tugas akhir. Berikut adalah pemaparan penelitian tersebut.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. First of all, let us give thanks to the presence of Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, because with His grace today I have the opportunity to present my thesis proposal. Previously, I would like to thank my first supervisor, Ms. Santi Susanti, and my second advisor, Mr. Ahmad Fauzi, for their guide during the process of working on my thesis proposal. At this opportunity, allow me to introduce myself. My name is Nabila Putri Maulida, an accounting education student. I will present my research proposal under the influence of learning motivation, self-efficacy, and procrastination on academic fraud behavior of students of the Faculty of Economics, Jakarta State University in completing their final project. Okay, next, list of content. Chapter 1 Introduction, Chapter 2 Literature Review, Chapter 3 Research Methodology. Chapter 1 Introduction, background of the problem. Thesis is one of the science that study are able completely their academic student, as well as one of a requirement of obtain a bachelor degree, which help to be able to complete their study period as soon as possible. Regulation of the Ministry of Education and Culture of the Republic of Indonesia, Chapter 1, Article 17, Number 49 of 2014, concerning the National Higher Education Standard, or SNPT, which reads the study period is used for study with a study load of 4 to 5 years for diploma for and undergraduate programs. This is graphic graduate students of FEUNJ since 2017 until 2018. Background of the problem. Next, motivation is a driving force from the within a person, so that action arises that directed the action in order to achieve the research goal, and determine how lucky action ought. Hamalik since 2004, based on the result of the pre-research, concluding by research several factors we found in every student. There are 3 factors that become problem mainly for the student after math processing. This will become hampered. That is one of them come from motivation. One, in accordance with the definition explained by Dominic since 2022. Extrinsic motivation is a desire or encouragement that appears to come from outside a person self-determines the goals to be achieved. The lower the extrinsic drive can affect the activity we will do, so it is necessary to control the motivation. Is shown that still not study how heaven grow motivation, which intrinsic motivation in appear from in self them each for do text that. Next, they show that there are still many studies who have not developed intrinsic motivation. which come from with each of them to work on their final project. Uh, Next, only 0.1% of students feel that they do not need a conducive atmosphere. In the other words, maybe one the to study can work their final assignment in various situations and conditions, even if the situation is not very conducive or not. Okay, next. The factor that makes the thesis work is low confidence is one's own ability to do or complete assignment or favorite extinction problem or commonly referred to as a self-efficacy. There are three factors that become problem mainly for student FAWNJ, math processing text and become hampered. That is one of them apparent because self-efficacy low. One self show that it the process of the working on the final assignment there still many study who needs word of encouragement so that the process of working is accompanied by high self-motivation. Verbal persuasion is one step that can be taken to motivation students. Next, 61.9% of students are that they give up easily. They feel afraid before they act. If a student who has a high level of self-efficacy will look at the item they read the first, this is what is known as a mechanism of the low individual. Next, background of the problem. According to the Minity Education and Culture since 2022, character education is one of the varieties that must be applied due to the fact that current conditions are increased spending among adult this. Honestly, is from of self-control skill that needs to be instantly in oneself. Likewise, honestly, in academic is access education, so the skill are very important to study to have. From its fraud that occur in a student environment, one copying friends work during exam for assignment, fake a friend work, cheat to get the grades, and etc. Okay, next, based on the result of the pre-research containing by the research several from of cheating we are found among FAWNJ students. Academic procrastination is illustrated as intentional and repeated delay in the process of the completing academic assignment. This is a self-defeat effect which referred to as a procrastination. This is based on the result of the pre-research containing the research several forms of procrastination among FAWNJ students. Next research question. This research will answer 4 research questions of follow. 1. Does learning motivation have an influence on academic cheating? Number 2. Does self-efficacy have an influence on academic cheating? 3. Does procrastination have an effect on academic cheating? 4. Does learning motivation, self-efficacy, and procrastination have influence on academic cheating? Next, research purpose. Based on previous research questions, this study aims as follows. 1. To determine the influence of learning motivation on academic cheating. Number 2. To determine the effect of self-efficacy on academic cheating. Number 3, to determine the effect of procrastination on academic cheating. Number 4, to determine the influence of learning motivation, self-efficacy, and procrastination have influence on academic cheating. Benefit of research. Theoretical benefit is an input for students to be more enthusiastic in the process of completing the final assignment, especially in preventing academic work behavior so that it does not decrease students not to always procrastinate. They generate motivation or a sense of enthusiasm from within can increase self-confidence that it has the ability and become the foundation for the future similar research. Practical benefit, adding and improving the process of doing the final project is accompanied by the influence from learning motivation, self-efficacy, and studying procrastination or academic cheating. Chapter 2, Literature Review. Motivation to learning according to Hamalik since 2004, motivation and learning have a close relationship and cannot be separate. The term motivation comes from the word motivate, which is interpreted as an effort to encourage someone to take action, while learning is a relatively permanent change in behavior that occurs through practice to achieve the research goal. Indicators that can be used a variable measurement of learning motivation include pervasive in study, there is a unending urge, have self-confidence. Next, self-efficacy according to Badura since 190 and 97, self-efficacy is referred to as a belief in one's ability to organize and carry out a series of activities in order to achieve the research goal. Indicator that can be used as a measure of self-efficacy variable include 1. Magnitude, 2. Strength, 3. Generality. Procrastination, according to Badura 1997, the word procrastination comes from the Latin word procrastination with the initial word pro, which means pausing for or moving forward, and adding with the word procrastinate, which means tomorrow. When combined, that means suspend or put in off until the next day. With this explained, academic procrastination is behavior to completing academic assignment. Indicator that can be used as a measure of the procrastination variable include 1. Start delay in completing the task, delay in completing assignment, time gap for task completion. There is a distraction by doing other completing tasks. Disease research framework X1, X2, X3, and Y. Disease research hypothesis 1. There is an influence between learning motivation and academic cheating. Number 2, there is an influence between self-efficacy on academic cheating. There is an influence between procrastination and academic cheating. There is influence between learning motivation, self-efficacy, and procrastination behavior on academic cheating. Chapter 3, Methodology. This is research method. Time and place of research, Jakarta State University of Economics. Date March 2022 until July 2023. Research design quantitative survey. Research population active student Faculty of Economics University Jakarta State class of 119 as many as 521. Research sample proportional element sampling using a acid and micro table with acid 5% as many as 228 students. Data collection technique. This study as primary data Google Form. In this study, the measurement level of respondent questionnaire data using a Likert scale of 1 to 5. Data analysis technique. Using the statistical package for the social science or SPSS, a multiple regression equation, analyze data requirement test, normality test, literacy test, hypothesis testing, t-test, and f-test. Coefficient of determination. Thank you so much for your attention. I hope this video is useful for those who watch it. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.